Okay, I've done about 500 Ks on these Neo Max and it's starting to make the noise, so I want to check it out what's going on. Obviously you can see it looks okay, but needs more preload. Starts shifting. That's why that noise is clicking. Drive to the left hand side. So majority of the time I'm guessing not enough preload on this, so I've got to adjust that, push it up further, and then I can also push this boot up a bit higher too. There's a gap there now. I'm going to put some lithium grease up the top here as well. I'll do all that while I do the preload, and hopefully it sorts it out.